Alright guys, sometimes good things come in small packages. That's why today we're going to build a new PC inside this new ASUS AP201 case. The AP201 features a toolless design and has a volume of up to 33 liters. It may not be a full ATX case, but you can top mount a 360mm AIO, put a full ATX power supply as well as a big graphics card such as this RTX 3080. So let's not waste any more time and let's build a nice new spanking mATX PC. Hey tech people, Realmeltan here and welcome back to my channel. Okay, before we start building, let me just go through with you some of the components that we're going to use for this AP201 PC. Okay, to begin we have the AMD Ryzen 7700X. Motherboard, he requested for it. This is the ROG X670E Gen mATX motherboard. For RAM, we have gone with 2 sticks of Trident Z5 Neo RGB DDR5 RAM. This is 6000 MHz. For storage, we have 1TB of WD Black. So I mentioned earlier, this is the ASUS Strix RTX 3080. Cooling the 7700X, we have our tried and tested EK360D RGB. Very powerful, very silent, and very colorful. And as mentioned earlier, you can put a full ATX power supply here. That's why we've gone with the ROG Strix 850W power supply. And this is the ASUS Prime AP201 case.
Oh, here it comes. Oh.
Okay, so yeah, we are done with the build. So we managed to run some tests. So it's very good. The GPU runs at about 70 degrees, has a maximum of 75 degrees. Also, the CPU also runs about 70 plus degrees, only maxing out 90.5, even though it's Ryzen 7 7700X. Some things about this build, it may look very big, very roomy, but actually, yeah, there's some reality check going on with this guy. It's advertised that you can fit a 360mm AIO as well as a full ATX power supply, but you can see from our build it's quite tight, and we had quite a few challenges building it. But overall, yeah, everything managed to come well. Yeah, so maybe some things ASUS can take note of in the future, make the power cord a lot better. Because right now you can see that for direction of the power supply and the power cord is kind of weird because you see the power cord is basically stuck at the front. Right now there's 3 levels at which the power supply can be hooked on. So we're already at lowest notch. So perhaps maybe one day ASUS can include a 4th or 5th notch so that the power supply can go lower. And then there's more room, for example, the power cord as well as the hoses. You can see right now the hoses are also being blocked by power supply because of where the power supply is seated at. A much better option would be to use a 240mm AIO instead, 360 for now. And sometimes we face some issue putting the 3080 onto this ASUS Gen motherboard. Not sure it's because maybe the I/O heat shield is a bit too thick. The 3080 is advertised to people inside, but because it's so big that almost touching ATX power supply. So just a word of caution, the biggest card that you can put in is perhaps a 3090. Don't try to squeeze in 4080s or your 4090s into this AP201. If you like this build, make sure to smash the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and if you want a PC like that, a very nice, awesome, well-built, cable managed PC, you can check out Typhoon Systems, go to the website, and yeah, you can buy your next mATX using this AP201 kits. So thank you and goodbye.